Alright, it is Sunday, June 19th, 2022. And just placed another order with Lowe's so we can get the chicken coop mostly finished today. Got 5 sheets of OSB, 25 bucks a sheet, and some roofing panels, and a couple more 2x4s. So I'm going to be adding about another 215 bucks to the cost of the build. So, design change plans here. The entrance gate, I've decided we're going to put about here. I'll drop that 4x4 post in the ground, connect to that the metal fence rail thing there, and so this is going to be our entrance gate. So all this fencing that I pulled the other day is going to get pulled again because there's going to be a big gap in it. For the roofing, I was going to get 8-foot long roofing, but 8-foot long roofing that I could find in stock only comes in 2-foot widths, which means more 2x4s and more pain in the butt. They have, I believe it's called Onida Roofing, which is pretty much it's the same stuff I use in my doghouse here. It's kind of like a asphalty tar roofing. That comes in, per Lowe's, 6.58 feet, which I did the math, and that's about 76 inches. And my roof span that actually covers the chicken coop is, I believe, 73 inches. So, something like that. I don't know, I just woke up. But my math might be off, but either way, I figured it out last night, and it will cover the actual roofing area. It's just not going to overhang 16 inches like I have the boards there. So that's no big deal. And that's going to be cheaper because it's 3 feet wide. I'll only need 3 sheets. I'll need less 2x4 supporting it. So that's what I'm going with. So today I at least want to get that back wall on there for support, because it's still got a little bit of wobble, but once there's a piece of plywood there, this thing isn't going to move at all. The floor, because floors are important, and the roofing, and then I'm going to have to start thinking about doorways and gates and stuff like that before I use the rest of that. So anyways, I'm tired. I'm just rambling right now. I got to drink my coffee, and in about an hour I'll be heading off to Lowe's. Alright, y'all have a good one. I'm going to keep this one short. Just got back from Lowe's and I can finally start working on this. While I was waiting for the Lowe's order, I did get some of the chicken wire up. Got myself 5 2x4s, 3 sheets of roofing, and some really ugly OSB. But it was 25 bucks a sheet, and everything else was way higher. T111 is like 50 bucks a sheet now, which is stupid. So it's going to get this thing going. Going to put a floor in, and then we'll work on the rest of it. Alright, again, I'm keeping these short today, but we got the first section of floor down. Got up on there. It holds my weight, which was both surprising and nice. Got chicken wire strung through this side, which is going to be just draped over and used to connect the next row of chicken wire to tie off the fence over here. I've got my cheater screws, I don't know if you can see them, ready to hold up my wallboard here, which is the next thing that's going on, and gonna cut it and tack it up there later. Alright, I got the back wall on. Doing that removed a lot of the shakiness. Same way if you ever get like a cheap department store bookshelf, the thing's wobbly as hell until you tack on that back piece of cardboard. That's pretty much what that sheet of OSB is doing. And I was hoping to have enough scrap off the end cuts to make up this side of the floorboard. Only about 5 inches short, so we may still be able to only use a single sheet plus scrap to get this side done here. Alright, back at it. Alright, you'll have to forgive me if I end up pointing at random things that aren't there, but the sun is so bright I can't even really see my screen right now.
Alright, got another wall on, and figured out a bit of a cheat on this Onida Roofing here. I was going to do cross slats, but for this span that I've got here, all I need is a slat in the front, a slat in the middle, and one on the end, and this stuff is plenty rigid enough. So typically you do your cross slats and then you do your 2x4s on the side, space it every 2 feet, but 3-foot span on either side, it's good and strong. So I'm just going to start draping the roof on over here. Alright, back when I'm done, or maybe before if I hurt myself later. Alright, it's a roof. I didn't do things the way you're supposed to do this roof. Basically, you're supposed to use special Onida screws that cost like 18 bucks a bag. I used finish nails. Also, you're supposed to do it on the tops, not on the bottoms, but it is what it is. I didn't nail much in the middle except for where it overlapped. And if it's going to leak, that's where it's going to leak, in the middle. If a little bit of water seeps in at the very end of the roof, no big deal. Same thing up on the front there. So it's roofed in. I think we had about 20 bucks a panel, 3 panels, and expended a couple extra 2x4s. So I'm gonna get the hell off this ladder here and take another break. Alright, just so you can see what the roof looks like on the inside. And there are some air gaps up there. I'm going to chicken wire the inside here. I'll just staple from there to the center beam and over. I was originally thinking, oh, I'll chicken wire it before I put this roof up, but if I did do that, putting this roof on would have been even more of a pain in the ass because it would have been all tangled up in chicken wire. So you see, you got a little side vent action going there. Get the same thing on this side, and probably will blow out some ventilation at some point here. Chicken entry door will go someplace on this wall. This wall will be the muck out wall outside of the cage. And this wall, I'm going to do the layers on the inside instead of on the outside, hang it off, because I got enough room. I'll just put the laying cages in here, and that just makes the construction a whole lot easier. So I might put on another wall. I might call it quits. We'll see in a little bit. Alrighty, I'm packing up the tools and calling it a day. Got the roof on, got 2 walls on, got 75% of the floor down. I should have another piece of scrap to finish off the floor. And the 2 pieces of wall that aren't up yet are going to have swinging gates built into them. So that's why I'm not doing them now, because I've already done about all I can do for a day, and I don't want to start trying to make gates and have them come up all screwed up. So that's the end of this weekend's project. I'll probably tinker some more during the week. And y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching, and please hit the subscribe button if you don't mind. Later.